Hi boys and girls, today you'll be doing this Meet Magic Beans page for problem solving. I will read the story to you, and the story that you will see on your paper is the same. The only thing that's different on your paper is that I've changed up some of the fractions so it's a little more challenging and you don't have all common denominators. So again, the story is the same, but please do go through your page carefully and maybe underline or highlight all of the different heights that have been changed and that are on your page to use to solve the problem. It says, Jack has some magic beans. Jack's mother decides to throw the magic beans out the door. The next day, Jack sees a new beanstalk that is 5 4/5 meters tall, right where the beans had been thrown. The second day, the beanstalk grows 4 2/5 meters taller. The third day, the beanstalk grows 6 5/5 meters taller. The fourth day, the beanstalk grows 2 4/5 meters taller. The fifth day, the beanstalk grows 7 3/5 meters taller. The sixth day, the beanstalk grows 3 4/5 meters taller. The seventh day, the beanstalk grows 9 3/5 meters taller. Jack thinks the new beanstalk is now 31 meters tall. Is Jack correct? Show all your mathematical thinking. Be sure to please show all of your thinking on the page below. Make sure you answer the question, is Jack correct? Yes or no, and if not, why? Please put your name on your paper and turn it into the tray when you're finished.